Coming.
It's coming.
Come on, Wayne.
Yeah, easy peasy lemon squeezy.
It's coming. Oh, fire! Ah!
It can range from nicknames to inside jokes, memes, and so on. So I was hoping maybe I could get a definition from some of the things that came up in my research.
So it's like it's like using your time to read books and go for a walk and go for a museum, watch movies. Yeah, not like that. That's Namjoon. That's Namjoon. You gotta.
아니, 6까지는 뭐 아무렇지도 않았어.
What does it mean when you tell someone that you got no jams?